there was a judgment which was given by Justice Ngangar, by Justice Julius Ngangar at the High Court in Bomet, and we've been dismayed by how that judgment, by the kind of judgment which the judge gave. On the first issue, number one, we have other active cases which are ongoing in court. The judge did not consider the merits or the issues of those other cases. Number two, and most importantly, the judge dealt on the issue of impeachment, which was not part of any of the requests by the people who went to court. In those petitions, which were presented in court today, which will share the proceedings with you, number one, there was a petition which was filed by one Kefa Mwenga, touching on the CFSP, the kind of prayers he wanted. None of his prayers dealt with the issue of impeachment. Number two, there was the issue by Edwin Ochoko, which was touching on the issue of the election of the Honorable Thaddeus Nyabaro, the MCA for Ekenene, as the Speaker of County Assembly. The judge did not go straight in those issues. He skipped it, and he made a very outrageous statement that the only thing which is waiting is gazettement.
Thank you. My name is Joel Umbongi Nyangao, MCA Bokera Ward, and the 22 of us today, members of the County Assembly, who have been legally following the law, because we had a speaker and we still have a speaker, Enock Okero, who is legally in office because the orders of E008, a petition that is still active in court, has not been vacated and has not been determined. But today we have really seen a miscarriage of justice, that our courts can rule on small matters, leaving the mother matter without it being considered. Because if you look at all these new cases that were in Bomet, they came after E008, which the judge intentionally decided to ignore.
As we consider our next point of action, is our considered view that this judgment, number one, is biased, was full of political biasness, and number three, that the judge consolidated even issues that were not under his court.